I'll be working with 3.5 yards of damask fabric. Fold your fabric into 4 layers. The dress length here is 56 inches. Extend the slit allowance by 1 inch and connect the line. Mark a neck width of 2.5 inches and the half shoulder measurement is 8 inches, while the extended sleeve measures 12 inches. Slope the shoulder by 1 inch and the neck depth of 1.5 inches and connect the slope. For the sleeve opening, mark 10 inches, then mark 10 inches down the center line. From there, mark 1/4 of the bust circumference plus 4 inches and connect it to the sleeve. Come in by 1.5 inches from the sleeve edge and reshape the round sleeve. At the hem, use the same measurement as the chest and connect the sides with a straight line, curving it into the sleeve hem. Fold the center front allowance to cut the neckline. Ensure it matches up perfectly. Then cut out the other areas. Remove the back piece and alter the front neckline depth to 3.5 inches. Trim to straighten the center front. Instead of marking 15.5 inches for the half length, mark 16 inches. Indicate the 1 inch for the slit allowance and from there mark 1/4 of the waist circumference. Mark 2 inches above and below the half length for the belt placement. Flip the fabric and repeat the markings on the other side. Cut 2 layers of fabric for the belt, each measuring 8 inches wide by 35 inches long. Fold the fabric to create the belt. It will be top stitched like this. Place a fabric on fold to cut the front neckline facing. It is 3.5 inches in width. Separate it and repeat the same process for the back neckline facing. Fold another fabric to cut the sleeves turning. Ensure the shoulder line is on fold. You will need 2 pieces for the sleeves and we move on to the sewing machine. Shorten the neckline facing by 2.5 inches for a clean finish. Notch and turn it to the right side. Then appreciate the neat look. Repeat the process for the other front piece, then face the back neckline. Join the shoulder seams and cover one side with the facing. Repeat on the other shoulder, ensuring the neckline aligns neatly. You should overlock the sleeve and the neck facings. Then place the sleeve facing on the right side of the fabric. Sew it with a 0.5 inch seam allowance. Lay the seam allowance on the facing and top stitch it. Repeat for the other sleeve. Mark a 5-inch slit for the neckline. From the shoulder, measure 32 inches down as the slit start point and repeat on the other side. Sew the center front with a 1-inch seam allowance from the neckline slit to the knee slit, ending with a back stitch. Turn the fabric to the right side. Check that the neckline matches up perfectly. Overlock one end of the belt, fold it and sew with a 0.5 inch seam allowance. Close one end and trim excess fabric, then turn it inside out. Use hemming gum to press and finish the slit allowance. See how to finish the hem and iron press. Match and align the sides to ensure the hem is equal. Go ahead to top stitch the belt at the marked positions. Sew the sides of the dress with a 0.75 inch allowance, stopping a few inches before the hem to top stitch and fold. Repeat the sewing on the other side. Fold and top stitch the hem one at a time, ensuring clean edges. For extra style, create double pleats on the sleeve as shown. Repeating the process for the other sleeve. And that's it. Your elegant bubu dress with a belt is complete. If this tutorial was helpful, please drop a comment, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell for more videos. Thank you. Bye.